From past few days, we have seen multiple renders showing how the watch would look like in different colors and how the design will be. But now a whole host of software information about the upcoming smartwatch has been leaked online. According to Weinbach, who got his hands on the Galaxy Watch3 firmware, shared on Twitter the new watch faces offered by Samsung on the smartwatch. Take a look at these. In addition to these watch faces, the company will reportedly offer improved customizability of watch faces through a new feature called Informative Digital Edge. This lets users add information such as date, day, heart rate, steps, weather, and more towards the edge of the watch face. The new version of Tizen OS will also bring new features such as the weather app that shows matching backgrounds to display weather conditions. Also, there is weekly view inside the calendar app, and the Samsung Health Monitor could come pre-installed on the smartwatch in South Korea. A few other software features include richer notification icons, built-in Outlook and Spotify apps, but what it reportedly lacks is the MST chip. It solely relies on NFC for mobile payments. There will be Wi-Fi only and LTE variants of the Galaxy Watch3, and they both will feature loudspeaker as well as Qi wireless charging. As for the launch date, it's expected to be released on 22nd of July. As for the rest of the specs, the Galaxy Watch3 will come in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm. There will be two case options, stainless steel and titanium, and three colors, that is black, bronze and silver. The 41mm version of the smartwatch will have a 1.2-inch screen, while the 45mm will have 1.4-inch display. The smartwatch will have a circular Super AMOLED screen with Gorilla Glass DX protection, two physical buttons on the right side, and a standard size replaceable watch strap. The upcoming smartwatches succeed the Galaxy Watch and features a rotating bezels and an IP68 certification with 5 ATM water resistance. It will be equipped with 1GB of RAM, 8GB of storage, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Galaxy Watch3 will also feature GPS, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitoring, ECG and sleep tracking. The 41mm version will be powered by 247 mAh battery, while the 45 version will be powered by 340 mAh battery. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.